Hello everyone, welcome to 5-star classes. We were studying chapter 10 microbes in human welfare, and today we are on the last part of the chapter. We will study today microbes as biocontrol agents and microbes as biofertilizers. Let's start now. Chemical pesticides and insecticides kill both harmful and useful organisms. We know that chemical pesticides and insecticides they have an adverse effect on the desired plant as well as other organisms. By understanding natural predation and interacting webs, an appropriate method of biocontrol can be used. By doing these two, by understanding natural predation and other one is interacting webs. Natural predation is how an organism predates other organisms, and interacting webs means linkage between the organisms. Let's see an example of natural predation here. Dragonflies and ladybirds, they help in controlling mosquitoes and aphids. These two insects, they help in controlling other insects like mosquitoes and aphids. Now let us see how microbes are used as biocontrol agents. Bacillus thuringiensis is used to control butterfly caterpillars and insect larvae. This is a bacteria. Bacillus thuringiensis is a bacteria and it produces a toxin which is named as Bt toxin, and this toxin is harmful for caterpillars and insect larvae. When they ingest this toxin, it leads to their death. And this toxin is available in sachets as dried spores which are mixed with water and sprayed on the vulnerable plants. Now we can see an advancement that by genetic engineering, gene coding for the toxin has been introduced in the plant genome. See, the gene that was responsible for Bt toxin in the bacteria, that has been obtained from it and has been introduced in the plant genome. This you will study in the chapter biotechnology. Now let us see trichoderma, which is a fungus, is used to biocontrol plant pathogens. It is commonly present in root ecosystems. Trichoderma is a free-living fungi and it is generally known as soil fungi. And it provides resistance to the root-borne pathogens to the plants. Now let us see another example. Baculovirus of the genus Nucleopolyhedrovirus are excellent biocontrol agents. They attack arthropods but have no negative impact on plant, mammals, birds and fish. We can say this virus is actually species specific and have narrow spectrum effect. Species specific means it generally targets some certain species that attack the plant, and narrow spectrum means that it has a limited effect on certain groups like arthropod, but it does not harm it does not harm plants, mammals, birds and fishes. Now let us start microbes as biofertilizers. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers is linked to pollution and harmful effect. Use of microbes as biofertilizers is highly recommended. It's time for us to shift to organic farming and to insert all these measures in our fields to get positive results. See, fungi, bacteria and cyanobacteria, they are the main sources of biofertilizers. Now let's start with Rhizobium. Rhizobium is a symbiotic bacteria and it is present in the root nodules of leguminous plants and responsible for the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen in the soil, and which can be directly used by the plant. Let's see another examples of bacteria like Azotobacter and Azospirillum. They are the free living nitrogen fixing bacteria present in the soil. Now let us see fungi. Some fungi lives in symbiotic relationship with plants which is known as mycorrhiza, and there are fungi of the genus Glomus that absorb phosphorus from the soil and pass it to the plant. And there are other benefits of this mycorrhiza, or we can say symbiotic relationship between plant and fungi. It provides resistance to root-borne pathogens and tolerance to salinity and drought. Now let us see cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen. Examples are Anabina, Nostoc, Oscillatoria. These bacteria, they can fix atmospheric nitrogen. Cyanobacteria act as an important biofertilizer in paddy field and also replenishes the soil fertility. We have completed this chapter now. We have studied microbes in our household purposes, microbes in industrial purposes, microbes in sewage treatment plant, role of microbes in biogas production, and we have done today microbes as biofertilizers and microbes as biocontrol agents. I hope you have understood the chapter well. You can download the notes from the description box. Thank you.